Hello and welcome guys to lesson 6. Today we'll go through effects. First we have favorites. It's just like the Yours tab. You click on a star, then you can see it in your favorite. So here in the video effects, you can search for anything you like, or you can go through this and choose anything you want. For example, let us try this ripple effect. I already added the body effect, so let me show you the body effect and go back to video effects. So body effects is just like the video effects, but they are applying to the body or to the face of the character. So we have Saitama Sensei from the anime One Punch Man. Okay, here I added the shy effect, and also I think I added in my heart effect. I imported some Japanese kawaii and oni-chan sound effects, so let us see the result.
Oni-chan.
Okay, so that would be it. How to apply the effects. First, you got your image without any effects, so let me delete those. I got two of them. So first, you go to an effect you like. In my case, I added this one. You can play with the parameters and you can add mask. You can enhance the side, make it bigger, or you can move it vertically or horizontally, so you can adjust it the way you want. Speed for more hearts in the scene. The atmosphere always will be the effects come with the effect itself. Like if it's a black and white, so it would be how much black and white, how much you draw the color from the effect itself. So for this one, let us do this.
Oni-chan.
Okay, so let me change again the parameters to random ones and go back. Let us check now.
Oni-chan.
Okay, so you can always delete the effect and you can see others. So note that some of them they might not work as you expect, so you need to search for others. So as you can see here, it's a stable one. It's not animated like this one or this one. So it's a stable effect, like just more like a filter, not effect. And here we have, it must be like a moving effect.
Oni-chan.
So as you can see, it's not working on this character. Let me add this to the character itself. So effect is added. Oh, this worked.
Oni-chan.
So you can mask this so the sparking would be behind the character, not in front of him. You can do the mask and you can get this, but I don't want to burn those effects and how to use them because we need to do that in separate lessons. And go back to video effects. So video effects is always working. You can apply it. And now as you can see, it's a ripple effect. Let me mute this. Okay, now mini zoom. So that would be it. You can of course apply the famous ones, which are the fade in, dissolve, crossfade. So those would be always the ones with the most trending, of course. And of course, the jitter effect or explosion effect. Those would be the most used by users, so they will be on the top. So that would be it for the effects tab, and I'll get to you on the transitions tab. Until that time, see ya.